Let's see all the tools we have available to manage our files on SharePoint. I'll go to office.com and I'll click on the waffle on the top left. That's the app launcher, and here I can access SharePoint this way. I'll click on the top left home button and I'll be able to see all the sites I have available. I'll click on training demo, and here I'll click on site library folders, and when I expand I can see my folders here, which are my team site channels. So when you're ready to upload files, click on the upload button and you can upload files or folders. If you need to do anything with a file, go to the three dots, and here you can rename, delete, move, copy. So let's delete this file. Now to restore it, we'll access the recycle bin on the left hand side. Click on the radio button for the file you'd like to restore, and it will be returned to its original location. Now there's other things we can do with our files. We can also move or copy multiple files. Just select the radio buttons, go to the three dots, and from here we can move to or copy to. We can see the navigation path along the top. It's like a breadcrumb trail. When I click on documents, I'll see the other folders available, or I may wish to choose another site which are listed on the left hand side. And here I can access those different folders and channels. Now because we're in SharePoint, there's some options here which I don't have in Teams. I can choose to alert me. This lets me set up an alert. I can be sent an email anytime something changes in this document, or when someone else changes something in this document. And I can set when to send them. This is immediately, maybe I get a daily summary. Back to the three dots. I can also manage access to the file from here. I can see who the site owners are. Any visitors currently can just view the file. I can make it read only for members here as well. And one more example, back in the three dots, we've got version history here. This shows me date and time stamped the different versions of this file. If I'd like to see how the file looked at version 1, I can click the drop down arrow to view, or I can choose to restore version 1. It won't delete anything, it will simply put version 1 on top as a new version. So from here on in we'll be accessing version 4 of this file. In SharePoint, real-time collaboration is like us all jumping on the same bus and chatting together to get to our destination, except it's a file that we can all open at the same time and work together. Sometimes though you just want to Uber. You might find it a less distracting journey, and you might find you get to your destination much quicker. And if that's the case, you need to check out the file and work on it independently. Go to the three dots, go down to the More button and follow to Checkout. It's a lot like going to the library. No one can use that book, or in this case that file, until you've checked it back in. And when you do check it back in, follow the same process. And here you can put a comment in. Let's add a quick comment. Now to see any comments from files, go to the three dots, and when you click on version history, we've got visibility of any comments added for any version. So we have lots of tools available to help us manage our files on SharePoint. We can collaborate in real time, we can delete, restore, move and copy files, but we can also set up alerts, manage access, and we've got version history where we can roll a file back if something goes wrong.